Hey, hello, hi, namaste दोस्तों. Hope you all are doing great. So today in this video, guys, we'll be doing a comparison test and camera test of both Realme 14 Pro Plus and iPhone 14 Pro Max. So we'll be testing the cameras, the camera quality, what are the features they are having, specs and features, and check how they are performing. So before starting the video, guys, don't forget to subscribe to this channel and hit the bell icon to get new notification. So first we will be testing the camera of iPhone Pro Max. As you can see, we are taking some photos.
और ये रहा इसका वाइड
So as you can see, the view during the daytime, the image is quite clear. We are checking out the cinematic feature. Looks good.
स्लो मोशन टाइम लैप्स
And slow motion and time lapse is also there. Quite common in all phones.
फीचर्स जो कि है
And also the pano mode, panorama.
14 Pro Plus में वो है नहीं इसमें. अब चेक करते हैं थोड़ा.
So let's check now the selfie mode, how the picture is coming. I'm taking some blur background shot, that is in portrait mode. It's quite clear and very much clear. The photo is quite sharp. Next is the photo mode and video mode.
सिनेमैटिक टाइम लैप्स ये सब दिया गया है. और वीडियो में
let's record some video and video mode.
एक्सपोजर यहाँ पे
How it's
एडजस्ट किया जा
coming,
सकता
let's
है
see.
आईफोन में. iPhone 14 Pro Max
Here
में.
exposure is there, you can do the exposure, but one thing is not there, that is the blur intensity. You can set the blur intensity here, but in Realme Pro Plus 14 Pro Plus 5G it's there. You can now let's check out some video on 4K mode.
में भी रिकॉर्डिंग हो सकता है.
As you can see, I recorded some small clip. Now I'll change the mode to 40 fps.
और 30 fps है.
Instead of 30 fps, I'll change it to 40 fps.
30 fps को
Now let's record the video. So in the video recording mode, you can adjust the exposure. As you can see, I'm adjusting the exposure of the video.
सॉरी ये एक्सपोजर है. एक्सपोजर एडजस्ट कर सकते हैं यहाँ पे. और इसमें एक अच्छा चीज़ जो कि रियलमी में दिया गया है, जो पीछे का जो बैकग्राउंड जो है वो बैकग्राउंड को ब्लर कर सकते हैं. इंटेंसिटी ऑफ द बैकग्राउंड ब्लर उसमें कर सकते हैं.
Here only the one thing is missing, that is the blur mode, background blur mode, which is there in Realme 14 Pro Plus. So now let's check the 14 Pro Plus. So guys, let's now check the camera quality of Realme 14 Pro Plus. As you can see, I'm taking few photos. Here some presets are also given, you can choose any one of them. I'm choosing one of them and clicking some photos.
आप ये select कर सकते हो.
Now let's check the zoom effect. Here 1x, 2x and till 6x is there.
2x
The zoom effect we can see. We can take some photos here with 6x zoom. You can see there is no blur or any kind of distortion or noise. The photo looks quite clear.
वाइड एंगल 0.6.
So the 6 up to 6x it's optical zoom, and apart from that, more if you are zooming more, then it will be digital zoom. Still I have checked that in digital zoom also the picture clarity and is not noisy, but it's quite clear and sharp. You can check from the image the photos I am taking.
तो वीडियो मोड में आप देख पा रहे हो इसका क्लैरिटी.
Oh, now let me change it to photo mode. I'm changing the mode to photo mode. Here also zoom effect is there, presets are there, just like in the video mode. Let me take some photos in zoom and also in normal mode. As you can see, the photo quality is it's quite sharp and clear. It's Realme 14 Plus engine hyper image photography, as you can see from the watermark. Let's check out something in portrait selfie mode. Let me change it to selfie mode. So I'm taking some photos. Okay, when you're clicking normal mode, let me change the brightness a little bit more. The image will look more brighter, and it would be easy for you to judge how the picture clarity of Realme is. So just hold on, guys. I have to change the. In one hand, it is not easy to operate, so I'm just changing the mode. Okay, now you can see I'm clicking some few photos.
तो इसमें एडजस्ट करने के लिए दिया गया है, आप बैकग्राउंड जो ब्लर है उसको आप एडजस्ट कर सकते हैं यहाँ पे.
So here you can adjust the exposure. Actually, I am mistakenly told you about the background blur. So here you can adjust the exposure accordingly, and another in another mode it is there how to adjust the blur effect, that is in portrait mode.
देख रहा हूँ मैं, और एक ये विदाउट बैकग्राउंड है, ब्लर बैकग्राउंड.
I have taken one photo, you can see. So let me change the background blur effect, that is change to portrait mode. You can see I have one photo is in normal mode and one is in high intensity portrait mode, that is background blur. You can edit by sliding the slider, and so next I'm going to again to the photo mode. Here I will check for the rear camera, that is 50 megapixel. Periscopic lens I'll check, that is how much zoom it's going to be, maximum zoom, and how clear the image is coming, up till how much, what extent. Here I clicked some photos on 1x, 2x and 6x zoom. I'm adjusting the camera and you'll see the image quality. Just hold on, guys, let me change the focus. I'm just operating in one hand, it is so it is difficult for me to do, so I have changed the focus. Now it's 19x zoom.
तो ये 19x zoom में है.
Now you can see the chair that you are viewing is in 19x zoom. In normal mode
और थोड़ा बढ़ा देता हूँ इसको zoom को.
In normal mode it was there, 1x zoom was there. Let me change again. Now so next I have done is 40x zoom. You can check the quality.
40x zoom.
There is no like blurriness in the image, it's quite clear up till 40x. Now let's change it to some more.
अगर आप मून का फोटो उठा रहे हो तो आपको इसमें पता चलेगा क्रेटर्स है या नहीं. तो इसमें मेरे पास है नहीं.
So I'm again changing it to 60x zoom. After 60x zoom we can see how clear the image is coming. It's not too far, so you are not able to know, because I am not finding in a far off object here, so that it could have looked more finer.
ये है.
So first one is the 60x zoom, then is 40x zoom. You can see the photo I have taken, and then 20x zoom, 19, that is 19x, and this is 6x zoom and optical zoom this is. Okay, so this is the quality we are getting here. We can also compare it to the Samsung
इसमें तो है
S25
नहीं
Ultra.
फीचर,
It has 100x zoom, but this phone has
इसमें
120x
ये है
zoom.
पेरिस्कोपिक
I won't
लेंस।
say 120x is quite very good, but it's
और बाकी
okay.
का फीचर्स भी
Like
देख लेते
if you
हैं,
are
इसमें
taking
दिया
the
गया
photo
है
of a moon,
क्या क्या दिया गया है।
then you can compare it. It won't come
तो ये
as
आप
good
देखेंगे।
as Samsung S25 Ultra, but in iPhone, if we compare to iPhone, in iPhone 14 Pro Max, this
ये
feature
है
is not there,
AI
the
स्नैप
zoom
मोड,
feature.
जो आप देख पा रहे हो AI स्नैप मोड में।
Let's check out the AI snap mode.
कुछ भी मूविंग ऑब्जेक्ट्स पे
If
ले
you are
सकते
taking
हो
any moving object, photo
आप
of
AI
any
स्नैप मोड में,
movie
तो
object, you can
इसमें
use
एडजस्ट हो
AI
जाएगा।
snap mode. It will adjust automatically the image, it will process it.
तो मैं ऑफ़ कर देता हूँ।
So apart from that, live mode is also there, that used to be in
ऑफ़
iPhone.
कर देता हूँ मैं
And
ये।
Realme, it has added Realme 14 Pro Plus
इसका
live mode.
पहले का था नहीं लाइव
I'm
मोड,
taking
तो
some
इसका
photos
लाइव
in
मोड
live
भी
mode.
है।
You can check it out.
लाइव मोड मैंने ऑन कर दिया है, देख पा रहे हो ये वाला है लाइव मोड। मैंने उठाया फ़ोन।
So if any kind of moving object is there,
जितनी
you can
मूविंग
take it
ऑब्जेक्ट्स
in
का
live
जो है
mode. It will keep it in
वो
dynamic
मोशन वाला फॉर्मेट है।
format, that is GIF format. So it's its own JPG format, so it will keep it in that format only.
इसको ऑफ़ कर देता हूँ अभी। एक्सपोजर है,
Now you can check out
एक्सपोजर
this,
काम
the
कर सकते हो
exposure
आप,
mode.
ये बाहर किसी ने
Here
दिया
you
गया
can
है।
adjust the exposure. It's available in all phones, nothing new.
और बाकी का जो
So
फीचर है यहाँ पे,
tell you, let me show you the
वॉइस
other
रिकग्निशन, फुल
features
एचडीआर
that the
मोड,
phone has.
एचडीआर ऑटो,
As you can see, auto HDR is there, and
4K
all
रिकॉर्डिंग है,
other features
4K
like
वीडियो
4K
रिकॉर्डिंग है।
recording, HD recording,
और बाकी का
and
यहाँ पे
different
कुछ
kind of resolutions.
दिक्कत नहीं है।
The video can be
वीडियो
recorded,
मोड ऑलरेडी पता है आपको।
and apart from that, video mode and presets are also there for taking photos.
और बाकी
And these are
इसमें
some of the
होता है फ़ोटो रेजोल्यूशन, उठा सकते हो।
extra features it has, like you can take it
अपना
in water,
फ़ोन
underwater mode is
मोड्स
there,
को कहीं और पे हो,
and
ये रिकॉर्ड कर
starry mode
सकते
is
हो।
there to take photos of
और
planets
एक है
and
स्टारी
stars
मोड,
like moons.
स्टारी मोड स्टार का फ़ोटो, स्टार्स और प्लैनेट्स का फ़ोटो उठाने के लिए स्टारी मोड सिलेक्ट कर सकते हो। एग्जिट कर लेता हूँ स्टारी मोड। तो डुअल
So
वीडियो
dual
मोड
mode
है, डुअल
video is
वीडियो
there,
में
you can
बोथ
take
कैमरा
from both cameras
को
videos,
मूव कर
and
लो
slow
सेल्फी लेने
motion,
के लिए।
time
और
lapse,
अंडर
high
वाटर में आप
resolution,
पानी के अंदर,
and
पानी के अंदर अगर फ़ोटो उठाना
film
है।
is there,
तो ये
dock
सब
scanner
रहा
is
एक्स्ट्रा
there,
फीचर जो है
and
इसमें।
one pro mode is there for
बहुत ही कैमरा
taking professional
सेंट्रिक
photos.
स्मार्टफोन है ये।
So let's take some photos in normal mode and see whether how is the resolution and how much space is taking in the phone, details and
काफ़ी
all.
अच्छा फ़ोटो क्वालिटी है।
So this is the image, you can see the clarity, and let's check out
रील्स,
the details of the
वीडियो का
image, how much
सारा
size the
डिटेल्स
file
देखेंगे
is, and what is the resolution.
इसमें।
As you can see, it is taken in 4K resolution,
Origin Lens 6 एक फ़ोटो का
and the
साइज़
image size is
अराउंड
around
8 MB
9
होगा।
to 10 MB.
ये 4K में उठाया है, Origin Lens 6 34।
So this was the comparison video between the two. I hope you like this video. If you like this
तो
video,
ये
do
रहा
like and
हमारा
comment, and
कंपैरिजन
don't forget to
Realme
subscribe to this
Pro
channel
Plus 5G
and press the
और
bell icon. I will see you in
iPhone
another
Pro
video.
Max।
Till then, see you. Bye bye. Take care.